to the computer. I will share my screen and I will try to start my presentation. Today, our presentation is regarding how to integrate the AI by using the microbit. And I will start directly with my presentation. Mr. Muhammad Nuruddin, who is with us, he will share right now the PowerPoint presentation that I'm using so you can use it in your classroom as a gift from our company. So please do not hesitate to have it and to use it or to modify it whenever you want. So first of all, here we are talking about 01 as a curriculum for STEAM education, for ICT robotics curriculum for STEAM and for AI. And today we will be using the microbit as a tool in order to show you how you can integrate AI in an educational way with your students. So and to explore, just one second. Uh, uh, okay. Uh, so to explore the scope and sequence for to explore the scope and sequence for the microbit and how we have to give it as a layering system. Uh, uh, so we are going to proceed with we are going to proceed with the following slides to show how to integrate the AI model. So AI, and this is very important to teach and to make students understand that AI is not a skill by itself. It is a result of many skills learned throughout a specific path. And here we all know that and here we all know that uh, we all know that in order to reach the level of creating small apps for AI, students should learn the logic of algorithm of coding, microcontrollers, robotics, in order to reach machine learning, even in order to reach this level of creating AI, because we cannot find like a book in order to make students understand how to build application in AI. But we can find lots of solutions regarding using AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, and many other platforms that are existing and that will make students as users, not innovators, or not like uh, not like creating application. That's why today we are going to see together with a practical exercise how students can be understanding machine learning and artificial intelligence in a practical and simple way. Before starting the webinar, a major question should be asked: why the microbit in the curriculum? And before starting, a major question should be asking the why, because it's the right path to students starting from grade 3 to discover coding, electronics, machine learning, and then AI apps. I mean that if students will manipulate the microbit as a microcontroller, then they will be exposed to coding, how to program, how to build a specific algorithm, to explore electronics, machine learning, and then discover the AI app. And once you got the answer to the why I have to integrate the microcontroller and specifically the microbit to my curriculum, so it will be a result of all the skills that we are going to offer to our student. And all the teachers here present that are using zero 1, they know very well that in our curriculum zero 1, we've integrated the microbit since grade 3 till grade 6. And this will be a good introduction to the microcontroller world. So microcontrollers, by definition, I would go for this quick presentation in order to move to the practical case. So the microcontroller is divided into two words. The micro, which means a small hardware, let's say, or small device. Controller, which means that it controls something. And a microcontroller is used in all the electronic devices that we are using every day: the elevator, the fridge, the washing machine, the TV, the remote control, the car, etc. And the microcontroller is used in an electronic device in order to control it for a better functioning. For example, when the door of the fridge is open, the light will turn on. So this introduction to the world of microcontroller is very important in order to reach a higher level of mastering this tool in a better way. And the microcontroller used in an electronic device is programmed only by the manufacturer. The user can never program it. So that's why here we are moving to another level where students will program the microbit and later on the Arduino. And as we know that IoT by definition is the future of technology that will link every single device to the internet. IoT will allow us to control by using an app those devices. And actually, IoT is dedicated for factories, for airport, shops and stations, mobile devices, edge IoT devices, data center, home building, cities, ships, airplanes, and trains. So we can say that IoT is everywhere, and we cannot hope programming or creating application with IoT without knowing better the world of the microcontrollers. So IoT will lead us to a world where with less pollution, less consumption of natural gas, electricity, better medical life, better production in factories and agriculture, and with less traffic. So that's why students will start preparing to create, like yesterday, STEAM projects, even with the microbit. And I will show you right now how it is easy to combine the skills of electronics in a simple way with even with the microbit. So it's possible. It's possible for us to say that the microbit is the right path to reach to prepare students for being well known with the word of microcontroller and later on with the
10 شهور
Arduino.
10 شهور وكام يوم كده ماشي.
Sorry, can you mute yourself, please? Okay, so IoT as a solution is not possible to reach without the integration of microcontrollers in the devices to be connected. The conclusion of this introduction, and this is very important to understand, that after this brief introduction, it's now possible to answer why it's a must for students to learn how to program and work within the microcontroller. Simply, if you want to reach your students to build STEAM application, AI applications, or machine learning application, it's a must for them to master the world of electronics, the world of microcontrollers, and this will start with the microbit. And I believe that all the students or all the schools that are using our curriculum, they all know that the microbit is a fundamental and it's a basic part. So, what is the need in order to create an educational circuit to understand how to reach the IoT? You need electronic devices such as such as uh, uh, sensors, motors, pumps, screens, LED, push button, and teachers should keep in mind that input and output devices that are connected directly to the computer uh, are limited to the keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, screen, printer, speaker, and projector, and that is impossible to connect directly a sensor, a LED, a motor, a push button, or a pump to the computer. That's why we need an electronic board, which is the microcontroller that will play the role of linking the computer to all the electronic devices that could not be linked directly. So the microcontroller is a major part to link the computer and the coding part with the external devices like input output devices, motor, pumps, and other circuit. For educational purposes, many brands are available on the market. Only two major brands leads, which are the Arduino, the Italian brand board dedicated for upper grades starting from grade 7. So we cannot imagine or we cannot make Arduino for lower grades, but the microbit, which is the British board created by the BBC, is dedicated for lower grades starting from grade 4. And to understand the microbits creation, it's helpful to look at the timeline. So in 2014, the BBC's Make It Digital initiative was launched. In 2015, the microbit was announced as part of the Make It Digital campaign. In 2016, like 9 years from now, distribution of the microbit for to year 7 students in the UK began, and the microbit foundation was established. Therefore, while the initiative started in 2014, it took like 2 years to start with. Arduino does not contain any input output device, so it will be hard for lower grades who don't have any electronic background to build a circuit. That's why the microbit is here, or the version 2 is here, in order to display to have two push buttons, a speaker, a microphone, a touch logo, and three sensors. This will facilitate the learning process for kids for lower grades. And since you have the file of the PowerPoint, so you can have a look at the links YouTube in order to understand the constitution of the microbit in case you are new for that. The pins, the compass, the accelerometer sensor, the temperature sensor, the light sensor, and the get creative. Now, for the software, you have two softwares to manipulate, which are the microbit by Microsoft, and you have two versions, one offline and the other online. Uh, so uh, so it's easy to use even online or offline, and we will be showing you right now. And the other one is Tinkercad, which is the platform that you know, where I can simulate, I can attach I can attach to the microbit any external device like LEDs, motors, sensors in order to get to add it to the microbit that I'll be showing. And the make code from microbit, as I said, it's like offline. Just 1 second, please. So I will open my camera in order to show you that here the microbit is connected to an external board where I can attach any input or output device like here the LED. So once I insert my microbit, it is like Arduino now. And even if I insert a LED, a motor, any kind of sensor, since I have all the pins here, so the microbit now, it's acting like an Arduino, but in a simple way for kids to work with. And the moment I connect my Arduino board to the cable to the microbit. So already I have programmed, as you can see on the screen. So forever the digital write on pin 1 will set to high, then pause 100 millisecond, then turn off. So I got the LED blinking. So you can see that there is really an environment of solutions that we have. And finally, we reach the moment where we will explore together how we can create an AI application with the microbit. So I believe that all you are waiting for this. So I will copy this link, which is createai.microbit.ai. I will go uh, for my uh, for my Chrome. Can you see my screen now where the microbit is open? You can write on the chat if you want, please.
Yes, I can.
Okay, great. So here on the on this platform, which is createmicrobit.ai, please note that to create an AI application, it's not doable on the offline version. Make it clear, we have to be online. So the moment I click on the get started, I can continue a saved session or I can open a new session. So I will click on the creating a new session. Now here I have to add, I will disconnect this microbit. I will add the other microbit with the battery bank or power bank. I will connect my microbit. And as you can see here down, I click on the connect. It asks me that it needs a microbit, a computer, a USB cable, and a battery holder with batteries, of course. So just 1 second. Okay, great. That's all right. Thank you. So the moment I have all connected, as you can see here on the screen, let me make it focus. Okay. So sorry. I will I will move step by step to connect my my microbit to the computer. Now I have a screen where it asks me to remove the cable, okay, and I have to turn it on. So you can see that the same symbol is displayed on the screen and on the screen of the microbit. So I click on next, next, to pair my microbit on Bluetooth. And look, the magic of the machine learning. You can see on the screen the live data graph. Can you see it, please? Can you see the live data graph? Down?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. Okay, so here, in order to reach an AI application, what I'll be doing is I have to train my microbit. I mean, I have to add actions and to make some trainings on them. So first of all, I will name my first action as sleep, like the teddy bear here that you can see on this on the microbit. We are going to create like two status for this teddy bear, like one, he is sleeping, and the other action, he is playing or he is jumping. So first of all, I will keep my just 1 second. Okay, so I will keep my my microbit on the table without moving it. I will click on record. So here for 1 second, so my data sample did record the three axes X, Y, Z. Since the microbit have on the board an accelerometer or a gyroscope sensor, so since we are not moving the microbit like if the teddy bear is sleeping, so I have to take like 6 data sample. And you can see that the X, Y, Z is stable, no movement. So here I have, for the sleep action, I took 6 data sample. I go down for the new action, which is jump. Okay, I will take my my microbit, and I will try to make like if it's jumping. So I will start moving, look down how X, Y, Z are moving. So I will click on record. I will get one data sample, another one. I make sure to jump in order to get the samples correct. So it's jumping. It's jumping with the microbit. I remind you that it is connected to the Bluetooth. This one is not good, so I will delete. I will make it back. Okay, record. Great. So once I took like 6 samples, I can take more, of course. Now it's time to train my model. So once I click on the train my model, the computer or the platform of the microbit will start analyzing the data sample. And once it's here, look, now it shows me the action, how it's accurate, and the code that I will modify later on. So now it's not moving. So it's 93% accurate, like it's look here, it's sleeping, all right? And once I start moving, so it's like 96, 97%. So my samples are good. I mean, I can now move to the coding part. I repeat, with the live data graph, I created 2 actions or 3 actions, depends from the project that you are doing. I took many samples. I tested my samples to see if it's okay. And this is what we call machine learning. And then after, I will move to create an application, a simple application, in order to check if the teddy bear is sleeping or it's jumping. So I will do a simple action. I will go here to hope the instructions are good, and hope that you are satisfied with the content I'm giving today. Excuse me for the error I did while sending on WhatsApp the error link, but today also we have like 130 attendees. So I will click on edit in make code. And look here, I'm in the interface of what? Of the make code. So I believe guys who are using the make code, it's simple for them. But the difference here is that I have a machine learning block or category with different blocks. So what I will do, I will say that if the teddy bear is sleeping, I will go to the music. I will set. I will set. I will show the icon of a heart. I will set the music to volume 20, and I will play, let's say, for 4 times in order that teddy bear will sleep. I will take this block. I will open the gallery, for example. Hope I will take this one. Okay. And I will make each one like half a second. And if the teddy bear is jumping, I will display the sign of OK, and I will go for the repeat. And I will, for example, I'll take something simple, ring the tone, this one, for example, okay? And if the sleep is stopped, I want to clear my screen. And if if the sleep is I want to clear my screen in order to display the other one. I believe it's not really important. Okay, so now I have to connect my microbit to the USB cable in order to download the program. Okay, the same microbit. Okay, okay, it's already paired. I connect. It's downloading. So you can see here. Okay, so you can see here that it's sleeping, that it played 4 times the this melody, which is I don't know what it's called. And now I will start jumping. I forget. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. So the music, I have to make it again loud if it's jumping. I have to connect again. I have to download. Connect. Okay. So when I move it, I have to wait for I have to wait 4 times. Okay. Now you see that the volume is low and there is a heart displaying that teddy bear is sleeping. Maybe I shouldn't make it 4 times. Okay, now I will take it. You see, the music is different. And so while the teddy bear is making music, there is the right sign and there is like another sound. So what we can do with the kids is like to attach this microbit to the teddy bear as they love this animal, and I will make it like he's sleeping. So I have to wait. Now, look, there is the symbol of the heart. Teddy bear is sleeping, the music is low. And the moment where teddy bear is awake and start jumping, so you see that the music is high and there is the sign of the right sign is on the screen. So I believe that this is a simple way to show students how we can make a machine learning and an artificial intelligence application. After all, we have to know that if I click here on the back, I can go back to my live session. I can connect. I have to make the cable to connect it again. So I connect my and then once it's connected, I pair for the Bluetooth, and then here it start taking action from the gyroscope accelerometer sensor. So the moment you want to innovate applications, so you can go for the page. Of course, in our curriculum 01, we are working on on many applications in order to implement the AI and the machine learning for the microbit, for the mBot2 that we are going to do tomorrow with the robot mBot2, how we can create also AI application. So that's why here it's the right example, because we know that AI is very complicated and it's very important to know how to introduce this terminology to students. Before I just 1 second, I go to, so I will copy. I believe today I sent you by email. I sent you by email a link for the recorded session, for the brochure, for the technical sheet that we discussed yesterday regarding the smart home, the weather station, different links. And today I'm sending again. Please do open your chat. Some of you, I have to admit and to tell you that some of you have typed the email wrong, because I'm receiving some of your email that are wrong. So if you did not receive the mail, please contact me via WhatsApp in order to correct the mail on my Google form. So here you have on our YouTube channel like short videos regarding the template or the skeleton of the smart home, the stair lights, weather station, soil moisture, water tank, traffic light, and rotating solar panel. Okay. And the Google form that you are asked to copy now, to fill now for the for the certificate of participation. I'm sending it right now. Start filling the Google form, and in case you have do copy all the links in order to share them and to explore them with your students. Okay. And if you have any question, please open the mic and feel free to ask. What I can say for all the participants who are not using 01 as curriculum, I highly advise you to contact us in order to provide you with the all the details you might need to explore more this curriculum and to see how you can profit from all the topics that we are offering. As we said yesterday, you will be receiving the templates for the 30 projects, the hardware, the training, the support. Please do fill the Google form. And if you have any question, please open the mic and let us share ideas together.
Assalamu alaikum. Yes, sir.
Yes, wa alaikum salam.
Yes, from yesterday, yes, I contact you. I ask you about that. It's my first time to know about this technology, and I need a real support. And today, it's clear to me that it needs someone who is good at ICT like that. Actually, I am not good at this type of ICT. So, can you please support me and or guide me with from where I start so I can bring this technology to my school because in my school it is not applied there. Thank you.
Just 1 second. On which WhatsApp you sent the message?
Yes, the same WhatsApp that you sent to me that about the link and the record sessions like that.
Can you send your name and the school name in order to contact you back?
Yes,
Please.
through what? To send to you through what?
WhatsApp, yes, please.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
You are a computer teacher or a science teacher?
No, I am a science teacher, and my knowledge on ICT is very poor, and so it's very difficult for me now. So if any possibility just to make or to support me or to guide me,
For sure.
because I am interested in this technology. Thank
For
you.
sure, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure for sure.
Thank you.
Please, for those who did not fill the Google form, please do fill it in order to guarantee that you will receive the certificate of participation and other resources that we are going to send later. Any other questions?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Okay, actually, I'm using your curriculum in my school. It is amazing. Everything actually is mind-blowing for my kids. Now my question is about AI and about machine learning and everything. I'm teaching grade 4, 5, 6 microbit, and we did amazing project. But right now, about AI and machine learning, we're supposed to just give them introduction about all of this, right? Before we starting doing all of those projects using AI.
Yes, we are preparing for this year. We are preparing the like an extended curriculum with different lessons for the AI and machine learning in terms of Scratch, the microbit, and robotics. So and it will be available on the digital platform.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So feel free to contact me like starting next week in order to guide you how to provide you those links.
Yes, actually, we are waiting for you. You promised us that you're gonna come to us, inshallah, after Eid to do a live session with us. Inshallah. Thank you so much.
I don't know if Muhammad Nuruddin is with us to share the PowerPoint because Mrs. Rimal is asking for the PowerPoint. If not, I will be sharing the link with the WhatsApp for tomorrow for the third day and promise this time I will send you the correct link for this.
The link, the presentation is in the chat message in the beginning of the session.
But maybe if she entered late, maybe she okay, Mrs. Muna, maybe she sent the I believe from where you get the microbit device. Does it only come with the books? Look, I don't know in Saudi Arabia if it's really available on Noon as an online platform, but schools who are using our curriculum will receive the microbit, of course, for free. And this is what we are doing. Did you like the flow of this lesson? You know, how it is easy to make students understand the machine learning and AI with the teddy bear example? Just
Yes, it was very clear.
okay, because there is one person who is asking for I will reply I'm replying to Muhammad Brahim for the Google form of yesterday. I believe it's sent. So until now, I have like 100 participants who filled. I believe that there is some who did not fill the Google form yet. Okay. Any other questions?
Hi, sir. Hi, Mr. Wissam.
Hello, Mrs. Jana.
Uh, Sir, I have a question. Um, how can we? Because I'm deciding to change our curriculum to 01. But the thing is, how can we get the books? I mean, if we want to order, sir, do you have any idea?
In which area you are?
I am in Riyadh, sir, right now.
And the school name?
Business Innovation and Technology International School.
Okay. Our office in Riyadh is at Al Ulayya, and Mr. Muhammad Nuruddin, he is with us.
Okay.
He posted his number on the chat,
All right. Perfect, sir.
and
So in. Mm-mm.
and if you can contact me by WhatsApp, even I can even provide you with educational support, and Mr. Nuruddin will provide you with sample, with prices, what you will get
All
for
right.
free. So everything.
Okay, that's good. That's perfect, sir. Because I really want to introduce this to my kids since I'm teaching from grade 1 to grade 4. Inshallah, it will be
Inshallah.
until grade 5 next year.
Thank you
So,
for the trust you are offering us.
all
Thank you.
right. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Any other questions?
Yes, Wissam. Assalamualaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Hello.
Uh, it's a suggestion or a recommendation if we make a kit for all these components, students required or
The
teacher
voice is
required.
not clear. The
In
voice is not clear.
Okay, I'm saying, is it possible for you to make a kit for all those beginner projects required for students and for teachers as well, and you get them at Darul work so we can get those kits
I'm
from
really sorry. I'm really
that
sorry,
place?
Mrs. I'm really sorry. The voice
Yes.
really, it's not.
Okay, I will send you a message. I will send you a message.
Mrs. Nazia, she's asking how we can contact. This is the email of Mr. Muhammad. He's in Saudi Arabia, and my contact is 961, and this is my WhatsApp number.
Good evening.
Hello, Mrs. Shiba.
Yes, I hope you're doing well. I have a question. For example, I have 15 students in my class, okay? And we purchased the books from you. So the microbits, the number of microbits will be 15, or you will make it into groups? How is it going to be?
No, no. Look, since we are offering microbit. Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me. Just 1 second. Since we are offering microbit, Arduino, robots, and even the skeleton of the steam structure like the weather station and other, so we have to calculate the number of each item we are offering.
Okay.
Is it clear?
So the students will not work individually, so they will work in groups.
No,
So you are trying to
because
say,
look, this technology is somehow a little bit expensive, and it's not really accessible in Saudi Arabia. This is why we have to manage the use of the hardware in the class management strategy that we will be discussing with you while working.
okay, thank you.
But it will be efficient. And of course, within groups, as Mrs. Nazia said, it's